Okay guys, I'm going to break down for you the beginner's solo Bachatango routine number 3. This was taught in our online class on Tuesday the 9th of November 2021. So again, this is already in the class. If you're looking on the video library, look for the full 1 hour class where I go over it slowly and we build it up throughout the class. I'm just literally going to talk through the numbers and the routine so that you've got a short recap. We started with the basics left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second time we did a leg curl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third time we did a flick in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the fourth time we did a repeater flick or a repeater curl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was section 1, basics left and right with the decorations. Section 2, we had the Rendez and we then had the Ojos. Let's look at the Rendez section. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Collect on 8. We repeated the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Collect. The next one was the Ojos. Left foot goes across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We then finish the big basic and move back into the centre. 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat on the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we had the dramatic lunge, fast and slow, and the box step variations. So, the lunge, collect, lunge, collect, lunge, collect, lunge, collect. That's the slow version. The faster version was in the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bachata box step, basic version. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second version with the 2 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third version with 1 slow tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know that's a very short recap. That is section 1, 2, and 3. So, if that doesn't make any sense to you whatsoever, go and look for Solo Ballroom Beginners Bachatango Tuesday 9th of November 2021 in the full 1 hour video list, and then this is the short summary to recap those steps. I'll see you soon.